three berths. I was sleeping here down. There's a middle and there's upper. You get a bed sheet to cover, a blanket also, but I don't cover. A pillow, there's a pillow over here, but I cover it and keep it. And this is the view. Early morning. This is my coach here. Mine is 49 and 52, so I am sleeping here. I can see this emergency window. There is a lock here, so that's how it looks from inside. Raipuram, that is in Chennai. It's a good video of a locomotive. This is a sleeper coach. You see, the whole train is empty. There's no one. The berths are empty now. And here also people can sleep. And daytime you can just unlock this, and this becomes a seat. Like this, it becomes a seat. Oh, that's a good view. See, with the paddy fields. So nice. Road. This is also from Tamil Nadu. WAP 7000 horsepower. So this is Rajdhani Express. Oh my God, this is Rajdhani Express, and this has come from Delhi, and it is going to Thiruvananthapuram. So friends, I got a cup of tea from this small shop over there. So the train was about to leave and I have to go back now. Goa. This is Goa. I can see the sea on the seas. So we have entered Goa. P2 4950 Kiran barabar hai. So he is the guy who delivered me the aloo paratha, raita or curd, pickle and the parotha. So this is our breakfast now. Good morning friends, and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. I had a good sleep and I'll show you where I slept. So this is the lower berth. I slept here, and this is the middle and this is the upper. So three berths. I was sleeping here down. There's a middle and there's upper. Here you get a bed sheet to cover, a blanket also, but I don't cover. A pillow, there's a pillow over here, but I cover it and keep it. And this is the view. Early morning. So good. As I said, I had slept very nicely. Now I slept at about 2 o'clock, and now our train has stopped here. That's the station here. I think there is a crossing. It's in the loop line, so there is another train which is coming on the other side. So nice sleep. I slept very late, so I got up late. Now it's getting 9. And this is our train. Part of the train is out of the station, but this is a loop line. It's a small station called Manki. And this is my coach here. Mine is 49 and 52, so I am sleeping here. I can see this emergency window. There is a lock here, so that's how it looks from inside. My wife is sitting there, so my bed is still there. So this is how the train looks, and a nice train, a new compartment. Mine is B2. So there's a train coming. After that only our train will move. So this is how the station looks. Just wanted to take you up to the locomotive. Let me see whether I am able to take you to the locomotive, because there's another train coming. What you see here is a sleeper coach that is non-air conditioned. These are all sleeper coaches, and as if I'm going for a morning walk on the station, just to show you the locomotive. Guys, this is a pantry car. You can call it a pantry car. So they cook food inside. It's a pantry car. So from here you get the food. But usually I don't buy. I carry my food or I buy from the restaurant. Because nowadays hygiene is a big problem. But if I see it is clean, then only I do buy it. Otherwise, I try to avoid it. Now, S means sleeper. S4. So that's sleeper. And it's on the loop line, so other train hasn't come. And our train is running 1.5 hours, still late. Still, guys, 4-5 compartments to go. And we have reached the locomotive. What you see is unreserved. This is called unreserved. UR, unreserved. Here, you buy a ticket, it's very cheap. And you don't have a seat. Wherever you get an empty seat, you can go and sit in that. And then this is what you see is the luggage and the brake van. The guard sits here, and this is for, it's all empty today. I don't know, never have seen it being this is for disabled, Divyang. Now what you see is the locomotive. Roypuram, that is in Chennai. It's a good video of a locomotive, and there is a loop line you can see. Train is coming this side. So friends, I could show you the locomotive here, and I had to walk a lot. Now I have to go back, but I'll wait for the train to come. There's a passing train to come. Guys, you can see how far I am from my coach. I'm very far. It's the turning, and you can see a green signal over there. Let me zoom and show you. Can you see a green signal? So there's a train coming now, and I could hear the sound of it honking. That means the train is going to come. Very soon the train will be reaching here. I can see the light of the train. It's coming in a full speed. So that fellow is a locomotive driver. Loco pilot we call it. He's checking the engine. So he's just checking the engine, and by the train you can see the train coming with full speed. A beautiful view here today, friends. See, oh, there's a dog running on the track. Oh, he crossed it. Oh my God. What a view I got today. So now the train will start. We are going ahead now. Now the train will start. So I can walk through the coaches. But let me see how much I can go. Then I will enter the coach. Can you hear the sound? That shows that the train is about to move. So it has started moving, and I get into the train. Yeah, so we are leaving the station. You can see the signal given. It's a 2 yellow, that is you have to go little slow, not very slow, but little slow. 2 yellow means little slow. Yellow means very slow. Green means you can go at a full speed. this monkey. And lot of greenery because it rained here. So this is monkey. A small village here. That dog sitting, and one dog was crossing the line when the train is coming. So now we move ahead. So this is the sleeper coach. This is the sleeper coach. And see, the whole train is empty. There's no one. The berths are empty. Like this, you can go through the coaches and reach my coach. The way I can travel through the coaches to my coach. My coach is about from here, 8th or 9th coach from here. There are about 22 coaches, 22 to 25. This train is empty. There's no one, you see. The train fully empty. Oh, this is the pantry car. This is the pantry car where they prepare food. That's the pantry car, and they prepare food on the, not on the gas, they have an electric coil. An electric coil where they prepare the food. Earlier there used to be have cooking gas cylinders, but not now. Empty, you know. The whole train is empty. I don't know. This is also 3-tier. 3-tier means 3 berths. 2-tier means there will be 2 berths. So friends, after walking, we reached our coach. So this is our coach. So this is where I remove the bed now. And here also people can sleep. And daytime, you can just unlock this, and this becomes a seat. Like this, it becomes a seat. And so 2 people, one here and one here, they can sit daytime, night. That fellow will lie down and the other fellow will go up and sleep. There is a charging point everywhere. So let me put this down. Here it goes. And there is a bottle holder. And this is where this goes, and it holds this berth. So it's like this. So now let me pick up my bed. It's already 9:10. And see a nice view. The glasses are clean, so I can have a good view of. So you have charging points 1, 2, 3. This is for the lamp light. See this. So again from the light there done. And this is for the night lamp. So there is a night lamp also in the same place where there is a light. There is a night lamp. So like this, there are charging points here also, there. So 3 people for one. This is for the middle, and that is for the lower. And if at all you have any problem, you want to clean the toilets or the floor, you can just call this number. And see the air conditioned AC temperature they have mentioned. Summertime 23. Oh, that's a good view. See with the paddy fields, so nice. There is some water sports here. Oh my god. So yeah, so summertime 23 to 25, winter 19 to 21. So this is how the AC compartment looks. Local train. So we are on our. Oh, that's the highway where I traveled by my motorcycle. See that? On our, yes. That's the highway that Mumbai. It goes to Mumbai and Kerala. I love to sit near the window. You can see this highway here. There is a highway over there. And sit the window and watch the villages pass by. Oh, nice view of the paddy fields and the farmer working. in the fields. Looks so beautiful, friends, here with the coconut trees and arak trees and other mango trees and bananas. So beautiful. There's a crane or the white. See, friends, this is how small towns in India looks. The tuk-tuks waiting for the passengers, and we are entering the station, and I cannot see. So there are some good hotels here near the station. Kumta is also one of the very important stations. Oh, there's a train here, so it will go on the other counter. Go on the other side. There's a train here. So let us see which train is this, and then we go to the other side. The road. This is also from Tamil Nadu. WAP 7000 horsepower. So this is Rajdhani Express. Oh my God, this is Rajdhani Express, and this has come from Delhi, and it is going to Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Rajdhani Express. So we go this side, and let me see whether I get something to eat. Oh, that coach is very far. Let me see. Let me try. Such a beautiful view. Now I can't come. There were boats over there on the other side. Such a beautiful view, friends. Today I am really enjoying the journey. So friends, just now I ordered food through Swiggy. Swiggy is also a delivery app for food. There is a tunnel which has come. There was a tunnel, so I had to on the light. So there's a tunnel here, and we are entering. There's so many tunnels now that we have come out of the tunnel. So these are the village houses, what you see. It's a village road. There are some shops. See a temple, beautiful temple. Oh my God. So that guy was selling athletes Maggie, poha. So there was a beautiful temple over there. I wanted to get a cup of tea, but the shop is closed and the dogs are sleeping here nicely. I thought I'll get a cup of tea, but the shop is closed today. I think he's enjoying holidays. What to do now at the next station? So these are all loop line. My train is stopping at all the stations. Friends, I missed that train which was carrying some cars. There was a goods train which was carrying some cars. These are all the new wheels. These are all LHB coaches. LHB is a German manufacturer. They have given their technology for the coaches so that if at all there is a derailment, it doesn't climb on the other coach. So mine is B2. See the beauty. There's a boat over there. There are some fishing boats. Here down. See the village houses, but nice houses, and the paddy fields. Some very nice houses are there. But I don't know how they live here because there are no shops or anything. There's a road going here. See, there's a temple there. It's like a highway. Friends, this is the highway which I travelled on my motorcycle. Oh. Guy, Karwar has come. Karwar is Naik bhai, तुम्हारा Karwar आया. So I'm telling my friend, this is your station, Karwar. He lives here. He has a house here, a small house with a joint family. But if I see, my God, the shop is way ahead. The shop is way ahead. But let me try to get something. I get some tea here. So friends, I got a cup of tea from this small shop over there. So the train was about to leave and I have to go back now. So a nice cup of tea from this shop here. And this is Karwar station. Lot of people here. I don't know where they are going, but so much crowd here. There is a ticket window over there. This is on duty station master's room. He has gone inside. Gents toilet. There's a beautiful shop here with lot of things. And we are leaving Karwar. So the sea is very close from here. We are traveling on a bridge. So the Karwar town is over there on the just ahead. There's a fishing boat here. See the fishing boat again. So beautiful. Some houses. Friends, we have entered Goa. This is Goa. I can see the sea on the seas. So we have entered Goa. This is another state. So after Kerala, we entered Karnataka and now it is Goa. So friends, this is Goa and the second station. I missed the first station. That is Lolim. Now we are entering the second station that is called Kankona. So friends, this is Kanakona. Actually, this is the second station. So I'll be stepping in Goa. So our train started from Tamil Nadu, but I entered in Kerala. So I have stepped in Goa. Our train started in Tamil Nadu. After that it entered Kerala. I got into Kerala. Then it went to Karnataka. And now it is in Goa. Later on it will enter Maharashtra. I forgot to tell you that if you get on at this station, you can go and visit a beautiful beach here. One of the most beautiful beaches in Goa, that is Palolem. So Goa has some beautiful beaches like Baga Beach, Kalangut, Palolem, Butterfly, then Bagato. These are some of the beautiful beaches in Goa. So if at all you are coming, you have to visit Goa and Kerala. These are the two states which are most beautiful. Karnataka also, Tamil Nadu has its own, Rajasthan, northeast states like Sikkim, then Nainital. Beautiful places where you can visit and enjoy India's hospitality and the cuisine, the food and the culture, the temples, the churches. Very interesting. here they do the cleaning of coaches. Konkan Kanya, which goes to Mumbai. All maintenance and cleaning of the coaches they do here. The washing of the train. See, they're washing it. They're washing the train here. That's really good. Going to for the wash. And what you see ahead is inspection car. So the railway officials, if they want to travel, this is an inspection car. Yeah. It's just for railway officials to check the tracks and all that. So friends, I've ordered from Zomato aloo parotha and all that. So he called me just now. He's waiting there. So I don't know where it is coming here or on the other side. So these are some local trains going not very far but very slow. So this is Madgaon station. That restaurant is really very good restaurant. I always have to have food over there. This is the main entrance. What you see is the main entrance. See on the station, the Madgaon station, they are selling clothes and all, and there they get very nice biryani. Yeah? That shop. And I am waiting for this guy to deliver my food. Zomato fellow. There are some shops here. You can see the Zomato fellow running and coming. I think he's Zomato fellow. I think I go there. He's having a bag with. Yeah, he's the person. Hurry. I think he's the person. आलू परोठा तेरे पास है क्या किरण B2 वाला किरण हाँ yeah he's having that so B2 4950 Kiran बराबर है. So he is the guy who delivered me the aloo paratha and I made the payment online. So here you get bananas, you get, and here this is famous for, Goa is famous for cashews. So here you have different types of cashews. See this cashew. ये कैसा है? 400 रुपए का. 400 rupees half kg. So cashew is famous here. There is a diesel engine going. Then you get puff, you get vada, you get so many things here. Chikkis, sweet, biscuits, chocolates, different types of chocolates, bhujiyas and cashew. Goa is very famous for cashew, but I don't like the taste. Kerala is good. And this is my bogie. Now we are going to eat. I'm entering the coach. There's a goods train going on the other side. And I missed a train coach. There was a car coach, sorry, not a train, car coach, where they were taking the cars to be delivered. So I'll go and eat this now. So the train has started from Madgaon and we are opening this. So here, paratha. And he has given a menu also. So we are sitting next to the window and having aloo paratha. They have the menu also here. Pizza and all, so many things.
See, chocolates, cakes. Oh my God, what all they deliver in the train in India. And also juice. Ampana. Oh, I should have ordered this one. See, they were delivering this also. Ampana and yes. Open it, no, Mira? So this is the packing they use. They have. And you have to tear open this. You have to tear open like this. They give raita or curd. This is not raita, curd. And pickle and parotha. So this is our breakfast now. And that one is aloo parotha and other is this is, I don't know which parotha it is. Both are different. So friends, we are having our breakfast and our journey continues. Watch my next video. Thank you very much. So friends, here you will see a lot of old houses. Inside, these are all Goan houses. See this house, typical Goan house. See one more here. So Goa has its own architecture. In Kerala you don't see much nowadays old houses, but in Goa you can see